Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select sound options on the Free Fire applications such as music, sound effects and voice options. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app and start playing with the game. Then tap on the settings option at the top of the screen. Now it is loading in, but in a few seconds you will be able to tap on the settings icon that you find at the top next to the map in the left side of the screen. Then click on the sound option, which is the fourth one in the left side column of the screen. Here you can turn on the music by selecting the volume on the scale, and you can also select the volume of sound effects, kill streak notification, the voice itself, the audio balance, and character voices can be turned on and off as well. So that's how you can turn on and off and select the volume of the sound options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.